Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would just like to thank you guys so much for liking my videos, for commenting, for subscribing, for telling all your friends about my channel. I just really appreciate it and I want you guys to know. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So this is a box that I won from a giveaway that I entered on Instagram from Bronner Naturals page, and they were kind enough to send me the box, and I'm really excited because I took a peek and I saw some really good stuff. I don't know exactly what they are yet, but I'm excited to see what's in this box. So let's go into this box and see what we got in here. This is what it looks like, and from what I see already, there is two products in this parcel that is like separated. Okay, and I see more. I'm excited. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So in all, I got 5 products, and I'm really excited to see what it is in there. So let's just try to open this up, see what it is that we got. It looks really good. I'm so excited. Sorry about that, guys. My setup was almost falling down. The struggles. Okay, so I got the first one open. Let's just see what it is. Okay, so the first thing that I see here is this. They're all together. Oh wow, look at this, guys. So let's just take this off. Okay, so I got 3 products here. Let me just finish with the rest, and then I'll just like tell you guys everything that's in there. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, guys. So let's move this box out the way. I got 5 products in all that I'm really excited to try. Okay, so we're gonna start out with the first one. So here's what this is. This says Bronner Bros, family owned since 1947, coconut oil and argan oil, hydrating growth oil, locks in moisture and reduces frizz for hair and skin. So this is how it looks. It looks really, the oil doesn't look thick. It's a nice, what's the word I'm looking for? It's just nice. It's a nice oil. This is what it looks like. Those are the ingredients. As I was saying at first, it's a very light oil. It's not heavy. And it says it has coconut oil, olive oil, safflower oil, seed oil, sesame oil, soybean oil, argan oil, kernel oil, and all those other stuff I cannot pronounce. So here's what it claims: no sulfates, no mineral oils, no parabens, no DEA, no paraffin, no phthalates, phthalates. Guys, I don't know how to pronounce that. No propylene glycol, no synthetic coloring, and no animal testing. This is how it looks, guys. It is 4 fluid ounces, and I'm really excited to try this because it has a lot of oil blends in it that I'm really excited to try. The second one is this. Oops, it was kind of open. So it's the Bronner Brothers Jamaican black castor oil infused with rosemary. Ooh, seals moisture, nourishes and revitalizes, strengthens and conditions. And it comes in a spray, looking like that. The nozzle is really nice. And this product is 5 fluid ounces. So this is 4 and this is 5. That is how it looks. The third product that I have is this Aloe and Pectin Firm Hold Curling Gel. Reduces frizz and defines curls. Ooh, I'm really ooh, this is a nice seal that they got going on the top. It looks like that. And then you just take the top off. It smells really good. I can smell it through the seal. Wow. Okay, guys, the third thing that I have here is the Mango Butter Curl Enhancer. It reduces frizz and define curls. So these products, I think, are the ones that reduces frizz and stuff like that. Okay, so this is Mango Butter Curl Enhancer. This is 6 fluid ounces. Those are the ingredients, as you can see. It has a lot of oils in it, guys. I'm really excited. Leaf extract, aloe leaf juice, ginseng root extract. Okay, this must be pretty good. Again, it has a seal. It's like, I think every one of these products smell really good, guys. And the last product I have here, guys, is this shea butter and black castor oil shea castor strengthener. Seals in moisture and adds shine. This one is 6 fluid ounces. And these are the ingredients, as you can see. Gonna give you instructions. So guys, I want to thank you guys so much for staying tuned for my video. And these are all the products that I have. Oh no, I'm trying to do a bit. What y'all doing? Come on, Mango Butter Curl Enhancer. Come on, just cooperate with me, man. Okay. So guys, this is what they look like. The Hydrating Growth Oil, Black Castor Oil, the Mango Butter Curl Enhancer, the Firm Hold Curling Gel, and the Shea Castor Strengthener. So I'm really excited to try these products, guys. I've never tried these products from this company before. I just learned about them on Instagram, and so I'm really excited to try their products and see how they work for my hair. Thank you guys so much for staying with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe below, down the bottom, and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me, any challenges or anything. So thank you guys so much for watching. These are the products one more time, just like that. Bye guys.